Have you ever imagined a world where adventure meets compact efficiency? A vehicle that blends the freedom of an RV with the agility of a three-wheeled trike? Welcome to the future of solo travel, the Camper Tricycle RV. It's small, nimble, and fully self-sufficient, redefining the way people explore the world. Whether you're a minimalist adventurer, a road trip enthusiast, or just someone who loves unique vehicles, this little machine is guaranteed to pique your interest. Let's take a closer look at what makes this tricycle camper such a game-changer. Unlike traditional RVs, which can be bulky, expensive, and challenging to maneuver, this camper is built for simplicity. It's lightweight and compact, making it perfect for weaving through traffic, gliding through narrow countryside paths, and even fitting into tight parking spaces. The best part? You don't need a special license to drive it, making it accessible to a much wider audience. Step inside and you'll be surprised by how much functionality is packed into such a small space. Despite its modest size, the interior is carefully designed to maximize comfort. There's a cozy sleeping area that folds out at night, providing enough room for a solo traveler or even a couple. Storage compartments are cleverly integrated throughout the space, allowing you to bring essential gear without feeling cramped. A small kitchenette with a compact stove, sink, and mini fridge ensures that you can prepare meals on the go. Some models even include solar panels, making the entire setup eco-friendly and self-sustaining. Think about the freedom this offers. No need for expensive hotels, no worrying about campground reservations. Just pull over and set up wherever adventure calls. Imagine waking up to the sound of ocean waves, parking in the middle of a lush forest, or stopping for a quick nap on the side of a peaceful countryside road. This camper tricycle makes those dreams a reality. On the road, the Tricycle RV is surprisingly smooth. Its three-wheel design provides excellent stability, ensuring that even beginners can handle it with confidence. Powered by an efficient electric or gas engine, it offers a balance of speed and sustainability. Some models feature hybrid options, letting you switch between electric mode for city travel and gasoline for longer highway journeys. With decent mileage per charge or tank, you can go farther without frequent stops. Customization is another exciting aspect of this tiny home on wheels. Some owners add a pop-up roof for extra headroom, while others install smart tech like fold-out workstations, Wi-Fi routers, or even tiny projector screens for movie nights under the stars. The possibilities are endless, making it a personal sanctuary for every traveler. One of the biggest advantages of a camper tricycle is affordability. Traditional RVs can cost a fortune, but this lightweight alternative is far more budget-friendly. Lower fuel costs, minimal maintenance, and no need for large parking spaces mean you're saving money while still living the dream of travel. It's the perfect solution for digital nomads, retirees looking for a flexible lifestyle, or anyone who craves adventure without breaking the bank. Safety is always a priority, and modern camper tricycles come equipped with essential features to keep you protected on the road. LED lighting ensures visibility at night, anti-lock brakes add extra control, and some models even include smart safety systems that alert you to potential obstacles. Plus, because of its compact size, you can always find a safe place to park, whether in an urban setting or out in nature. Now, let's talk about the experience. Driving a camper tricycle isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey. The open design allows you to truly connect with your surroundings. No more feeling disconnected in a large, enclosed vehicle. Instead, you can enjoy the sights, sounds, and fresh air as you cruise through beautiful landscapes. Every turn of the road feels more personal, every stop more meaningful. It brings back the pure joy of travel, without distractions. For those wondering whether this unique vehicle can handle all seasons, the answer is yes, with the right modifications. Some models come with insulated interiors, heating systems for colder months, and ventilation to keep things cool in the summer. Rain or shine, you can keep exploring without worry. The Camper Tricycle RV is more than just a vehicle, it's a movement. It represents freedom, independence, and a return to simpler, more fulfilling travel. Whether you want to take weekend getaways or embark on long-term road trips, this little machine has everything you need to make unforgettable memories. So, if you've been dreaming of an adventure that's affordable, practical, and packed with personality, maybe it's time to rethink what travel means to you. A big journey doesn't always require a big vehicle. Sometimes all you need is 3 wheels, a little space, and an open road ahead.